This will be a 15 to 20 minutes exercise. To do this, you need only two simple things. One, make sure you have a phone number that is capable of receiving SMS. Facebook will be sending SMS verification code when you are creating your WhatsApp API. Make sure this phone number is not associated to any existing WhatsApp account. If you do, please deregister before attempting this step because we are creating a new WhatsApp account altogether. Second, make sure you have a Facebook business account. If you do not, please refer to the link. It's just a 2-minute setup to create your own first Facebook business account. It'll be quite easy. Now, next, please log into your Peasy sales account as an admin because you need to be an admin to create your own WhatsApp Cloud inbox. Click on Setting and then select Inbox. And once you're in Inbox, click Add Inbox. Select WhatsApp and you should be able to see the screen. Make sure you're selecting WhatsApp Cloud. For the WhatsApp inbox name, you can give it any name you like. There is no restriction whatsoever. So give it a name. Next, go to developers.facebook.com. You should be able to see a screen very similar to this. Click on Create App, select Others, and choose Business. Give this app any name you like. This app will not be visible to the public. There will be no charges whatsoever. It's just an app that we are creating for the sake of getting the WhatsApp API. All right. And like I mentioned earlier before, you need to associate this app to an existing Facebook business account. So make sure you have a Facebook business account before creating this step. Click on Create App. Scroll and look for WhatsApp and click Setup. Once you have clicked Setup, you should be able to see three still tiny separate buttons over here. Click on API Setup and look for this button, Add Phone Number. All right, click on Add Phone Number and you'll be asked to create a new WhatsApp business profile. So key in your company name, right? Select your time zone, choose the category, and type in your business description. Both your company name and business description will be visible to the public when they click on your WhatsApp account. Click Next and type in your phone number. Now, in this case, I'm using a mock number. This is not an actual phone number. So obviously, when you do this, please key in your actual phone number. And you can see Facebook gives you two options to do the verification. If you select text message, Facebook will send to you a OTP code, and you are required to key in the verification code, like so. Now, for the all intent and purpose, we are not going to be using this because for this demo, we'll be using the test number. So each time you create a new app, Facebook provides to you a test number. This test number have limited usage. You can only send WhatsApp to a whitelisted list of phone number. So, but for this purpose, for this demo purpose, we'll be using the test number. Click on copy the phone number ID and go back to your Peasy account and type in phone number ID. Copy the WhatsApp business account and type and paste it over here as well. Now, if you have created your actual number, you should be able to see that list of numbers you have created over here, right? Now, copy the phone number over here as well. And let's paste this in. Now, for this demo phone number, for this test number, I need to register my phone number first before we can actually send and receive a WhatsApp account. So I'm going to add in my phone number over here. and I would have received a WhatsApp message with the code, and I need to type that in. Now, if you are doing this with an actual phone number, obviously this step is not necessary. Otherwise, you can only send numbers to a limited number of people, right? Now, next, once you are done doing that, please click on your add payment method, because as you might already know, this is a paid service from Facebook. So there are charges whenever you send a conversation, whenever you start a conversation. When you click on that button, you'll be directed to your Facebook business account. Click on payment settings and click on add payment method. For the time being, Facebook only support this currency, so I'm going to choose US dollar, and I'm going to select my time zone over here. And click next. And you'll be asked to key in your credit card or debit card. Now, for this purpose of this demo, I'm going to skip this step, and let's resume to the next step, right? Now, once you are done, okay, so we already have the phone number ID, business account ID. The next thing that we need is the API key and verify token. So how do we get the API key? Let's kickstart with that. Go to your Facebook account setting. The URL is business.facebook.com/settings, and select users. In users, select system user. All right, and create. If you do not have a system user, click add to create a system user. Make sure you assign admin access when creating the system user. Once you are done, okay, click on add asset, select app, and select the app you have just created earlier, and make sure you give it full control. Once you're done, click on this button here, generate new token. Select the app that we have created and choose never, so that this token will never expire and we can reuse for perpetuity. Scroll all the way down and select WhatsApp Business Messaging and WhatsApp Business Management. Just these two permissions, and click on the Generate Token button. Facebook will give you this particular link here. Click on this link, okay? And this little tiny access token here, select all, copy, and paste right here. Okay, so voila, you already have almost all of the steps done. The last thing we need is to ensure that you are able to receive incoming messages by keying the verify token. So over here, type in the verify token. You can give it anything you like, as any fields, any value you like, as long as there are no space in between. Now for this purpose, this demo, I'm going to type in demo 123, right? Make sure you remember this well, because we need to type this same value shortly. Okay, demo 123. Now I'm going to create the WhatsApp channel. Okay, it will ask me to assign all of the agents that have access to this account. I'm going to click add agent, and it's done. Right now, next, go back to your developer.facebook.com, and in your left menu, select configuration. Now, if you earlier recall, we had created a verify token by name of demo123. So what we're going to do, so once you're in configuration, click on edit. Now, paste this URL, chat.peasy.ai webhook/WhatsApp, plus the phone number which we have created earlier. Done. I forgot the number. To API setup, and we're going to select the number that we have from Facebook earlier. Copy this phone number and append it to this URL. So it will be chat.peasy/ai/webhook/WhatsApp, and the phone number without any space including the plus sign. Let's copy this, go back to configuration, click on edit, paste this in. And if you earlier recall, we have set the verified token value as demo 123. Click on verify and save. And you can see that Facebook have accepted the token. Now, next click on manage. And we need to select messages and template category update, template message status update. That's it. Click done. That's it. Now your WhatsApp is connected to Peasy. All it takes was 11 minutes.